So hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So finally we reached at the last day of the TCS most repeated coding questions, and in these days or in these 18 lecture we have covered more than 60 plus questions and most repeated coding questions. And if you have followed it genuinely now, not only with just watching the video but hands-on experience, then sure shot you will be able to solve all those things. So best of luck to the candidates who have exam on 20th of March. Okay, so this will be the last lecture. So again saying friends, some basic tips when before discussing the question I will tell. Make sure to read all the input scenario, output scenario, and what they are asking, and try to pass the test case. Okay, related to hacks and all those things, last date tips, I've already made detailed video. So by the meantime, if you want to go through it, must go through it. More than 1000 students have gone through it. Okay, so how to pass test cases both for beginner and pro coder, and I will sure that you will learn something new from that video, so you can refer. And again saying, just best of luck and just believe on yourself. So whatever the level of preparation you have, just give it. And in these days don't practice any new question, just practice on the previous year question or the question which you have already done. Okay, just revise it, because concept revision is also important, and it play a critical role in your selection. So again, best of luck to all the candidates. चलिए लास्ट डे का दो क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट फेमस क्वेश्चंस। एंड यह जो क्वेश्चन है 2 से 3 ईयर में, मीन्स पिछले साल भी आया था, एंड 2024 में भी आया था, इवन 2023 में भी आया था। दैट इज रिलेटेड टू क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. So you have to basically write a program to find the roots of a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation is an equation of the form x square plus bx plus c, जहाँ a, b, c real number and a not equal to 0. So simply what are the things you have to do? Actually this questions means kind of this question we have already covered in, if I can remember, day 10 or day 11. So those who are following now, it's your homework. Try to not homework CW. Just pause this video. Try to practice it and write the code from scratch. Again saying, write the code from scratch. In every video I'm telling you that open any online compiler or any compiler where there is not any inbuilt library or anything. आपको scratch से first line से end तक लिखना है coding का. Okay, so I think those who are following a playlist, now you are habituated with this, and just try to solve this question by yourself before going or before jumping to the solution. So I think quality equation को पता है, तो here main thing is you have to find the value of d, that is the discriminant. So d equal to b square minus 4ac, and there are 3 cases that if d greater than 0 then it will be 2 distinct real root. If d equal to 0 then 2 equal root होता है. ये basic quality equation का है, I think जो aptitude वगैरह कर रहे थे. तो let me first tell you that if you are searching for aptitude and other free pressure material, then just check the link. Okay, there I have shared you free material, okay, company material, and there you can get. Not only for that, we will also help you in interview and all those things. So currently आपका focus exam पे रहना चाहिए, and further भाई आपको aptitude material अभी सब कुछ आप दे सकते हैं, आपको दिया गया है. So just follow this, and that is enough to crack your exam. No need to take any courses or any other stuff if you will honestly follow this playlist, and if you will basically solve this. Now coming to scenarios, input suppose a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 2. So you have to calculate d equal to b square minus 4ac. So 3 square minus 4, 1 into 2. So you will get d equal to 1. Now output will be root 1 equal to 2 and root 2 equal to 1. How will you get output? So root calculation का आपको पता है कि root equal to minus, or let me just give you the exact formula. So minus b plus minus under root d by 2a होता है ना. So quadratic formula. So yeah, minus b plus minus root d by 2a. So this is a simple formula you have to apply for this. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the solution. So here I am including the IOStream, CMath, and using namespace standard, double ABC discriminant root 1, root 2, and taking the 3 input A, B, C, because you have to take the variable input, isn't it? Then I am just calculating the D and checking, or just basically just applying the condition. So if discriminant greater than 0, then root 1 equal to minus b plus square root of discriminant by 2a. So here we will use the sqrt function that is available in C++. Okay, and simply आपको वही roots कर देना है. अगर equal है discriminant greater than 0, then roots are real and different, and you have to print the root. If discriminant equal to 0, then you have to print the root, that is minus b by 2a. And last root, that is the third condition, जो कि आपका root possible नहीं होगा. So roots are complex and imaginary. Let me just open any online compiler and try to run this, then you will get clarity. Okay, but I think now after just you have to apply the formula and nothing, no any extra things I am doing here. Okay, so let me open any online compiler and try to run this code. So for this you have to basically take the value of a, b, and c. Okay, and let me just run this, and let me check with our inbuilt input or the input we have taken. So 1 minus 3 and 2. 1 minus 3 and 2. So A, B, C, 1 minus 3 and 2. So yeah, you are getting the value roots are real and equal, and root 1, 2 and root 2 equal to 1. So when you will do calculation and all those stuff, then you will get the answer. Coming to Java solution. So Java is also quite easy. So here I will use import java.util.scanner for taking input, taking ABC using sc.next double and sc.next double, and discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. Same things condition I am applying, discriminant greater than 0. Then in this way we will calculate the square root. And if discriminant equal to 0, then root equal to minus b by 2a. And similarly, I will basically print the third condition, that is the roots are complex. Means if d less than 0, then आपका root complex होगा. Python program, same things, A, B, C. So here we will use the input function you know very well and decalculate, and same applying the condition and doing all those things. So here I will use math.sqrt function for calculating the square root. And for Java, we will also use capital M math.sqrt. Make sure to import all those the library. And okay, now moving to next. But before moving to the next, I will suggest must go to the video and about the how to take input scenarios. More than 4700 students have gone through this video, and also related to string based scenario. String based or array based scenario को जरूर आप देख के जाइएगा किस तरह से input लेना है. That will really helpful for you in exam. Okay. So let me come to the second question. So coming to second question, this is also quite famous question where you have to basically, means you will be given two sorted array and you have to just find the union and intersection of two sorted array. So what are the questions? You know union and intersection. Union means that will consist of all the distinct elements present in either of the array, and intersection means common elements in both array. So if we are taking the elements as array 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and array 2 as 2, 3, 5, 7, so union will be all unique elements in array 1 and array 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be union, and intersection those elements which are common in both array. So you can see in array 1 and array 2, what are the elements common? Just 2 and 5. So that will be your instruction. That will be your intersection. So again, I will suggest pause this video and try to solve question by yourself. And these are the famous questions. You might be thinking that you are covering just easy questions. Just reverse to our playlist. There I have also covered the medium and hard level questions. So if you want, you can follow. But just practice medium and easy based question. इससे ज़्यादा आपका NQT में नहीं आएगा. Okay. If other things came, then you can go through it. But especially अगर आप beginner है and if you don't know anything, and अगर आपका coding का ज़्यादा knowledge नहीं है, then आप भाई hard पे मत jump कीजिए. Okay, if you are pro coder, if you know DP and graph, then only you have to practice, because you know within 5 or 10 days you will not able to prepare the DP question and graph question. Okay, so that is the thing I want to tell. So try to practice by yourself by writing the code from scratch. Now let me discuss the approach which I will use here. So approach I am using, which is a famous concept, by using the two pointer approach. So here I will create two variable I equal to 0 and j equal to 0, means you can say two pointer, first pointer, second pointer. I will just compare the element of both array. So for union, just I will insert the smaller element and move that pointer. For intersection, if both elements are equal, add it and move both pointer. Remember, this is the one logic or one, you can say, approach I am applying. You can also use the approach of set. आप सेट ले सकते हैं, उसमें आप जस्ट एलिमेंट को पुट कर देंगे, मीन दोनों एरे को ट्रावर्स करके, देन ऑल्सो इन दैट वे यू कैन सॉल्व. बट दिस इज द मोस्ट ऑप्टिमाइज्ड वे, and basically time complexity also play a critical role in passing the test cases. So same things I'm doing here, I equal to 0 and j equal to 0, and union I less than n and j less than n. If ai less than bj, then see out ai plus plus, else if ai greater than bj, see out bj plus plus. Means same thing I'm doing, just I will traverse this. Okay, so ai अगर लेस रहा bj से, then I will increase the ai value by printing it out. If ai is greater, then I will basically print the b and I will basically increase that pointer. So that is the simple logic I'm applying. You can go through complete this. Okay, and for intersection, same things I'm doing. If ai less than bj, I plus plus, else if ai greater than bj, means अगर first element greater than second से, और इन दैट वे मीन्स फर्स्ट पॉइंटर पे जो एलिमेंट फाइंड कर रहा है और सेकेंड पॉइंटर पे, सो अगर फर्स्ट पॉइंटर पे एलिमेंट जो पॉइंट कर रहा है, इफ दैट इज ग्रेटर देन सेकेंड पॉइंटर, देन आई विल just increase the j plus plus. Otherwise, see out ai and I plus plus j plus plus. So these are quite simple. And coming to Java solution, you can go through it. Same things I am using in the logic. Just main thing in NQT that you have to go grasp the logic. Okay, so you can go through it. And coming to Python, so same things, declaring the two temporary variable union and intersections, and I will using the two-pointer approach. By I less than n, length of a means length of a, this will consider means these are array now I am taking, and j less than length of b, and if ai less than bj, then I will append. Here we will use append function to add those value, and else if ai greater than bj, union dot append bj. So this is the quite simple logic I will use here. So I hope video informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I will be very happy to help you. And again saying friends, those who have time now, just go. Those who have time now, just go and watch our series where I have discussed a lots of questions. And if you will cover, I am giving guarantee you will be selected for this exam. And besides solving those questions, also practice some other questions. Okay, you can follow some other YouTube channel too. I'm not saying just follow our YouTube channel. Whomever covering, just you have to cover, because your main goal is to take the selection. Okay, so if you have any query, you can ask here. And for getting free preparation material and all those stuff, you can basically join our WhatsApp Telegram group. Not only we will help you in cracking this exam, but after getting the interview call also, we will conduct the mock interview and all those stuff. So we have lots of plan in further. So if you want, you can subscribe us. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.